Hello and welcome to CMS Forex News. I'm market analyst Nick Nassad. Today's Friday, October 9, 2009. We start with the euro-dollar pair, which fell in today's trading following its rally yesterday. The catalyst for the decline at the beginning of the global session was a speech by Fed Chairman Bernanke yesterday evening, where he said the central bank will be prepared to tighten monetary policy when the outlook for the economy has improved sufficiently. The pair had a second leg down in New York trading, where it set a low for the session near 1.4670. The sense that the U.S. could raise rates earlier than expected helped the dollar surge against the yen, with the dollar-yen climbing the most in 2 months. The 150-pip rally stalled near 89.90, which was close to the high set this week on Monday. The move broke out of a descending triangle pattern and could be now ready to test the power line from 90.25 that has switched roles from support to resistance last month. The pound-dollar pair fell steeply today as well in favor of the greenback. We mentioned yesterday how the pair was testing its old resistance from last week, and today's move was a clear rejection of that level. Expectations could be that the UK economy is too weak for the bank to consider raising interest rates and to stop its asset purchase plan, with the Fed signaling the opposite, that it was getting ready to tighten as the US economy improves. The differing expectations here have hurt the pound. In fundamental data, the U.S. trade balance narrowed in August for the first time in 4 months, as exports climbed to the highest level of the year and oil imports fell. In Canada, the employment picture brightened as the economy added jobs for a second straight month. The 30.6 thousand increase surprised forecasts, which called for a small decline. Looking at the data closer, it was full-time jobs that led the increase. The unemployment rate, meanwhile, declined to 8.4%. The positive employment report from Canada helped give the loonie strength, allowing it to gain to the 1.0410 level against the greenback. That extended the losses for the US dollar-Canadian dollar pair for this week, following a breach of the 1.07 level early on. Next week, we get inflation reports from the UK and the US, an economic sentiment report from Germany, retail sales data from the US, and the FOMC meeting minutes. And that wraps up our coverage of the Forex market for this week. Thank you for joining us here at CMSFX.com. And from all of us here at CMS Forex, have a great weekend.